Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about multimedia concept. Okay, and let me write first notes here. Okay, now these all are notes related to the multimedia. So what is that? Let me check it first. Multimedia image, which will provide images, videos, and audios. Already we know it. And by using what is it multimedia, we can provide advertisement to the users. Okay, and advertisement based on the advertisement, we can give what is it images, audios, and videos. And next, images we are using to provide images, and the tag is image tag. Okay, it is having by default attributes call it as src and alternate. Okay, src which will provide the image url, and alternate will provide the uh, alternative names instead of what is it image. And next, images adjustment we can use with the two attributes, that is width as well as height attribute. Width as well as what is it height attributes. Width and height attributes. And this is the syntax we have for image tag. And image tag is comes under unpaid category. It is the unpaid category. And we can see audio which we are using to provide audios and browser. By default we have an src attribute, but after providing what is it src with the mp3 format audio, it will not show output on browser. So to see output on browser, mandatory we have to use controls attribute. We have to use controls attribute. Okay, and audio tag is the paid category. And next, audio having src with the controls attribute and closing of the audio. Okay, and video tag, this tag we are using to provide videos on browser. And by default we can take only the src attribute tag. After providing video into src attribute, it will show output like. Okay, it will show output like image on browser. To convert, okay, on browser, to convert image to video, we have to provide again controls attribute. Okay, and next, video is comes under the paid category, which is having some attributes call it as like autoplay, muted, posters, etc. And video tag like this we can write it with controlling of src controls width, height, autoplay, muted, and poster. Okay, let me take same thing practically in our VS Code. Okay, here I will create one folder, and the folder name call it as multimedia dot multimedia dot html. Okay, now here first we have to use image tag, and inside the images we can go with two ways. One is directly through online images, or we can take like downloading. We can take downloading images. Okay, Let me take first online images directly. So for that one website and type like flower images. Okay, now in the flower images, I'm considering this image. Okay, right click on it and copy the image address. What is it? Right click, copy image address, go to VS Code and inside src paste it. Okay, let me execute this folder with right click. Okay, and open with live server. It is executing output on browser, but the image size is more. To adjust image size, we have attributes, call it as width attribute, and here I'm using 400 pixels. And again we have like height attributes, and inside the height also I'm using 400 pixels. Okay, now check it here on browser how it is giving output. Okay, it is adjusting like 400 by 400. This is the first way to do our images process. And second way also we can consider like image tab and download the images. So for downloading images, let me use one more image. Okay, I'm using this first image. So downloading process with save as image. So I'm saving here on my desktop with the UA folders inside media images. Okay. Now here consider the folder name as 1.jpeg format and go to VS Code and check it here. In our media we have like what is it 1.jpg. This same image I need to place on my browser, so to redirect one folder to another folder, because present we are in HTML folder but our images is there in media folder. So to redirect one folder to another folder we have to use forward slash media images and take 1.jpg format and take your alternate name also like images. Okay. Now check this output on browser. Go to open with live server and check it. It is giving image but size and width is more. So do one thing. Take as it is how you given here. Copy that and give it to here also. And check once again output. Now it is giving same thing. This is the process to do our images. Now same like this we need to do our audio's process also. So okay, I downloaded one song, and this song I need to paste it first in my folder. Go to downloads and take this what is it song, and where I generated my file. Okay, in UA and media, go to audios and paste video. Okay, now let me check the same thing here with audio tab. I'm using here audio tab forward slash media audios and audio, and let me check any output is showing on browser. No. So for this one the mandatory attribute is nothing but a controls attribute. The mandatory attribute is the controls attribute. Now it is providing song for us. And same like this we have to do video also. So take as one video, and inside video we have to go with videos, right? So take as your videos video downloader, let me take as different name, Flavo, Flavo videos download. Download any one of the video from this one, okay, and paste it. Okay, suppose I'm downloading this. Now that video first I will paste it into my folder MP4 format. Copy this MP4 format, go to desktop and take as UA folder, inside UA media, and take as like videos and paste it. If you want to change, then change that name into video. Okay, now again take VS Code, and inside VS Code, inside media, inside videos, we have one video like MP4 format. This exactly I need to paste on my folder. So take as like video forward slash media videos and video. Check output on browser how it is showing. Okay, it is showing something like image. First let me adjust this width and height. So width equals to, I'm using like 400 pixels, and height we need to use, right? So take height is also like 400 pixels. Okay, check again output. Now it is giving like this image format. To convert image to video, okay, we have to use one attribute called it as controls attribute. After giving controls, it is converting into the video. Okay, and the here we can give poster attribute for the thumbnail requirement. Okay, for poster we have to pass here one image. So I am passing one image, and that image it is acting like one poster. After clicking it, it will go to the video portion. And not only this one, we can take here one more attribute, that is nothing but autoplay, and it's the pack with the muted thing. Okay, now it is going to autoplay and muted format. Directly it is taking muted with autoplay. Okay, this is the concept related to multimedia. So images we can take in two ways, either like online images or downloading images. And for the audios, mandatory attribute is the controls attribute. And for video, width, height, controls, poster, autoplay, meter, muted we are using. Okay, now this is the thing related to multimedia. In next video we will take some other concept. Thank you, thanks for watching. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. It will help to some other people also. Okay, thank you, bye bye.